Hello and welcome to a demo of the new course design of BUS330 Principles of Marketing. I am Dr. Avisha Sadaginejad, Associate Professor and Lead Faculty for Marketing Programs at the Forbes School of Business and Technology and the designer of this course. It is my pleasure to show you the course design strategy, features, and the use of innovative tools and technologies that are incorporated for an effective, pleasant learning experience for our distant learners. BUS330 is an undergraduate 5-week course that is specifically designed for 100% online instruction, and therefore certain needs of online students were considered in the design. BUS330 is a primary course in 8 different programs and also in 4 minors. It runs 2 sections each week with an average of 25 to 30 students per section. Now, let's take a look at the landing page of this course. This is the landing page of BUS330. Once the students enter this page, the first thing they see is the course information box. This box contains general information about the course, information such as course guide, course syllabus, required and recommended resources for the entire course grading policy, course calendar, and faculty expectations. It also contains Ashford Cafe, where is a virtual place for students to ask questions, help each other, hang out, or simply chat and learn from each other. Okay, let's take a look at week 1. The first tab in week 1 is the overview tab. When students enter the overview page of the course, they see a welcome video that highlights the learning objective of the week and also talk about the activities and assignments students are needed to do. The overview page also contains a magazine cover for every week based on the main concepts and the weekly learning objectives. It also lists the week's deliverables, week's WLOs, and interesting memorable quote from Forbes marketing community, and of course a few introduction steps that show students how to easily kick off the work for this week. Week 1 specifically also contains an additional video here that provides an overview of the entire course for the students and show them what they can expect in each week. The next tab after the overview course is resources, which lists all the required and recommended resources. We will not go over this tab, but we will instead see the lecture tab. Weekly course lectures are designed in PowerPoint format versus the lecture style text format. Every week's presentation slides summarize and supplement the major concepts of the week. The goal is to make the design of the slides very neat, simple, and easy to follow and understand. In addition, the lecture section contains a video from the Forbes YouTube channel that is aligned to the learning objective of the week and supplements the major concepts of the week. These videos share related cases and examples of real-world situations from the perspective of experienced and hands-on experts. In addition, several articles are listed below the video, and each article refers to a talking point that is discussed in the video with the exact minute of the talking point as it comes up. The first forum in week 1 is the Post Your Introduction forum. Is the place where students get to introduce themselves and know each other. In this forum, we used an innovative approach. Instead of merely writing about themselves, students are encouraged to create and share their own business card using the free web app Canva and following the step-by-step tutorial and instructions, students can create their own business cards that can also become a part of their personal portfolio and be used for networking and job interviews. Now let's look at the discussion forum 1 of this course. Another innovative approach in the design of this course is this interactive accordion design for the question prompt. In online learning, where students do not have the opportunity to ask questions live and when it comes to their mind, it is very important to minimize the areas that could be confusing for students. We analyzed and studied worth of 5 years of BUS330 end of the course surveys and also the course section statistics to understand where in the course students have the lowest performance or ask the more questions or tend to post incomplete and incorrect work due to not understanding the question prompt fully and correctly. Based on this study, we created this interactive design where students can open each element of the question and see some helpful tips on how to do it, where to find clues in the textbook, how to conduct the research for that particular assignment, etc. Formatting requirements also get separated from the body of the question prompt and in its separate box, and the guided peer response also become more visible and understandable for students. Students can open all, where they can see every prompt with its tips, or collapse all as they choose. Finally, each week has a wrap-up section that briefly talks about the main topics discussed in the learning week that provides an easy opportunity for students to self-evaluate their learning at the end of the learning week. I would also like to take some time and talk about the final project in this course. The summative assessment or the final project for BUS 330 is writing a marketing plan. But the students start working on their plan from week 1. In week 1, they assume they have accepted an internship from one of these companies that are listed here. It is either from Uber, Budweiser, Bank of America, H&M, Subaru, Under Armour, or Taco Bell. And they go through every week, and as they go through every week, they just add a different pieces of marketing strategy to their plan. This way, not only the heavy load of writing a marketing plan is divided throughout the weeks, but also it gives students an opportunity to practice and apply the theory they learn in each learning week right away in the internship company they are working on. Let me open all so that you can see different sections that are required for their marketing plan. Another important piece in the new design that deserves to get highlighted is our special focus on the job market, industry trends and needs, and marketing associations. This happened in week 4 journal. We designed an interactive module called Marketing Skills Developing Career Readiness. This module is based on the results of the study that Dr. Abel and myself conducted on industry skills expectations from marketing graduates. After doing this module, they learn more about major marketing and digital marketing associations, and then they have to visit the school's career center to explore related resources for for career readiness and job search. Putting all these information together, the students then write about their personal plan and how to improve the skills they need for their dream job in the field of marketing, and also the associations they think they should join for networking and information seeking. Okay, let's wrap up this walkthrough with mentioning course sections that we covered. We went through the major sections or tabs in week 1. I mentioned that the final project, that is a marketing plan, is distributed throughout the weeks. And these purple highlights that you can see here shows where in each week some work on the final paper happens. And finally, in week 4, and via these journal assignments, students learn more about marketing skills, marketing careers, and marketing associations. Also, regarding tools and technologies used in discussion forum activities and weekly assignments, I would say that Canva, Twitter, all major social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat, LinkedIn, Pinterest are analyzed, and the students need to become familiar with the social aspect of their mentor company when they're doing their assignments. And last but not least, Claritas is being analyzed in one of the assignments, and Claritas is the world's largest segmentation and consumer behavior platform for marketers. So students have a great chance to learn more about Claritas and how to work with it. From the list of 21 skills that we analyzed in our industry curriculum study that I mentioned earlier, several skills get practiced in this course. From the technical skills, students practice broad tech skills in software, Microsoft Office, project management, and digital and social media marketing. In the broad category, creativity and innovation, specialized writing skills, verbal skills and oral presentation, problem formation and solving, time management, analytical skills, and ethics are practiced. Also, confidence, responsibility, leadership, independence, determination, and motivation, and job hiring skills are career-related skills that are practiced in this course. Thank you for watching this demo of BUS330 Principles of Marketing. Happy teaching!